Let's see how the left text function works. Left text function returns the leftmost characters from a text value. For example, we have a text value of Facebook. Okay, this is the text value. So I want to return the leftmost character. Leftmost character is F here. So equal to left of the text. It left function got two parameters. One is text, other one is number of characters. So my text is Facebook, and I want to return the first character, which is 1. So you can see it is F. Okay, similarly, if I want to return first two characters, then it is left of the string, which is Facebook here, comma 2, which is FA. Okay, then if I want to return similarly left of first three characters of this string Facebook, F5, A5, 3, FAC. So similarly you can return any number of characters from the from a string. So the left text function returns the leftmost characters from a text. It could be any text, it not necessarily Facebook. It may be, okay, I say I am good. See, my first character is I, first two characters is I space. Okay, then my first three character is I space A. Okay, this is the way left function text function works.